with us
ले
like 2
वही
seconds
पंगा
ago? That's
वही
crazy.
बेकार की
It
चीजें
was like she was just here. Did she
भाई
run
ये
back to the
दोबारा बोला
gate?
फिर नहीं खेलूंगा मैं गेम ये बार बार जैसी उतरेगा आदत से हम
Wait, I'm getting... It's deja
टाइम इस पे
vu
निकलता
again.
है हमारा
Are we... Did we get glitched again? You know, I don't understand how what we did in that cave is making any of this happen. Like, what are the triangles? What are the gates? What are the... Why are there...
Yep, this isn't budging.
Well, the lock looks, less than modern. Let's just brute force it, both of us. It might splinter, but we should get in.
I don't get enough breaking down doors in my life, really, so I'm not gonna complain.
All right, let's see if Ren's plan was a good one or not.
Cross your fingers and hold your thumbs.
कैबिनेट
To sign up for the aquatics program, please register at the front desk.
Never gets old.
और कहाँ है वो नहीं छेड़ूंगा वो कुछ और ही होगा जहाज पास बॉक्स देखता हूँ
I think here's something. It's another pocket radio, I think. But it's like there's way more stations on the dial.
It says that... Here's another one. It says they're wall radios. WALL stands for wave-assisted lock. Ah, they use, that frequency thing, where each frequency is like a key to open the doors around here. It says that you use them like identification
चल
tags.
फिर शुरू करें
Great. Let's hike it back to the gate.
Oh, wait, look at this. Personal effects of Margaret Dorothy Adler.
Discovery of intercept.
कितने स्टेशन है भाई
We can head back. I'm just gonna... Here, this is... To whom?
steal the boat and leave चल भाई फिर चोरी करें
It should concern. This is a letter from her? This island and its history is a lie. Wow. Well, this is going
यहाँ
somewhere.
से जाएंगे नीचे नहीं यहाँ से कहाँ बोट बोट तो कहीं और ही खड़ी हुई
I've been compelled by both forces outside my control and my own willful concern for the safety of others to conceal the many truths about Edwards Island. But now I feel any further inaction may carry a far greater risk. Inside, you'll find 2 wall-equipped radios. I have commandeered the old Cardinal Station 140.1 and used it to relay clues to nearby beacons buried throughout the area. Find these beacons in the notes within and discover the true chronicle of the island.
Huh? What the hell is she talking about?
It's like if we use these new radios, we can tune to 140.1, and that will somehow lead us to, like, information or secret stuff or something. To whosoever finds the material, know that I am discomfited for keeping it hidden and ashamed for the lies I helped preserve. But also know that I acted in what I felt were the best interests for all at the time. And truly...
truly अब गेम ना यानी बनाई बहुत बढ़िया है बट यहाँ पे ये जो बातें इतनी मारी हुई है ना वो गड़बड़ है और दूसरा है जो टाइम लूप जो चल जाता है बीच में से जाता है एक चीज खेलो और उसके बाद फिर वही चीज दोबारा से फिर वही चीज वो चीज बेकार है यहाँ से कहाँ जाएगा यहाँ जाएगा बेकन बीच में जाएगा यहाँ से जाएगा ये रास्ता निकलेगा कहाँ पे ये तो बैंगल बनाया हुआ है भाई
Alex, why are you wearing that jacket? It's like 75 degrees. The sun's out, you know? I thought you said you were gonna go swimming anyway.
It's cold, that's why. The sun is kinda out, but when you're in the shade, it drops to like 50.
No, it doesn't.
Hey, Michael, we didn't bring drinks. Did we? I thought we said we'd bring drinks.
Did I get stuck in time or something?
No, I know. Days going by like crazy fast, right? I feel like we were practically just accosted by those soccer players.
Hey, it's called
वही पंगा
football.
फिर फंस गया टाइम में.
You're dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead?
I think she's talking about the.
Oh, the car? No, they don't. Listen, Mom and Dad know. They don't care. Well, I mean, they cared a little, but they know I can fix a broken taillight.
Wouldn't be the first time.
You and your snide comments.
Today turned out to be a flawless day. It really did.
Yeah, no, it did. It really did.
Yeah, it really is kinda ideal, actually.
Yeah, I'm like right about to start sweating, but I'm not.
No, it is perfect
Okay,
ice
कुछ
cream
रहेगा.
and tennis weather. That is rare.
जाना नहीं है यहाँ पे, फालतू में है. वहाँ भी नहीं जाएगा फिर वो. देखो रास्ता चाहता कहाँ है. आ जाएगा. यहाँ नहीं जाएगा. नीचे ही रास्ता वहीं जाएगा. चाबी ढूंढने में तेरे पंगे बनाए हुए ना भाई, बस से ज्यादा. रास्ता कहाँ नीचे का. आ जाओ यार, जल्दी आ जाओ. दिमाग की दही हो गई है रास्ता ढूंढने के चक्कर में. चढ़ जा. इसको छोड़ दो पीछे, आएगा अपने आप. कूद जा. ये चल 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 चल. इसको स्क्रीन से बाहर करना है. हो जाएगा. देखता हूँ करके. नीचे आ यार, कंट्रोल ही अजीब से हो जाते हैं. हाँ तू चले जा ऊपर. चल भाई चल. बोट के पास जाना है. और भी रास्ता है. वॉच के बीच के पास हुए. कोई भी ग्लिच नहीं है, कोई भी टाइम लूप नहीं है. एकदम से पिछले टाइम में कैसे पहुंच गए, लास्ट टाइम कैसे गए थे वो शायद ही नहीं याद आ रहा होगा. मुझे लगता है कि एक्चुअल में जा पाएंगे इस बीच से. अगर इस बार ऐसा हुआ तो भाई गेम बंद करूंगा मैं.
It's been a spell since we did something, right? I feel like I haven't talked to you in a while. How have you been? What's been going on? How's classes? How's what's his face, Mr. Collins English?
It's been... I don't know, it's been...
Ah, sorry. I think, yeah, I accidentally left my phone on the ferry because I do things like that.
Oh God, you idiot! Go get it before it leaves.
When I get back, I want to hear an Alex story.
Okay, I guess.
So,
Are you, like, faking it or pretending or something?
pretending? No. I mean, I meant when I said that this is a great day. I'm having a good time.
अजी टट्टू यार.
I'm glad we could all do stuff today. I'm glad you were cool with it. I mean, I know you guys are really close, and like, I know it can be annoying when somebody starts keeping all their time for their girlfriend or whatever. So, I think it would be cool if we could like continue to do things together. Michael, he loves you like a lot. I'm sure you know that, but he talks about you all the time. Oh, Alex did this, and Alex let the frogs out in science class. Isn't she hilarious?
Yeah, well, I love him too.
Had to fight the skipper for it, but he didn't reckon how many squats I could do.
What's it up to? 6?
Only on burrito days. On non-burrito days, it's like 8.
Glad you got it back, regardless. So, I actually really want a cold
ओए यार
something, so
मैं
I'm
कहाँ
gonna run
खेल
into
रहा हूँ तो अपने
town
आप
and
ही
get
चले
like
जा
a
रही है गेम
soda. Anybody want
टट्टू
anything?
गेम प्ले
Nah, I'm good.
I'll
कुछ
be
ज़्यादा
back.
अच्छी बना दी गेम इतनी अच्छी भी नहीं बनानी चाहिए गेम
Okay, I'm here. What's the story? I want the news. I want the Alex first edition. What's going on? And look, I know this was supposed to be our day, but I completely forgot I promised Clarissa I'd do something with her, so thanks for chaperoning. I know it's not what you had in
ये ले
mind,
बोल
so... But
ये ले
I owe you.
बोल तो रहे
It's important to me that you like Clarissa, Alex, so tell me the truth. What do you really think of her?
कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा अपने आप देखता हूँ
Alright, I get it. You know, I never noticed. That's a good looking jacket. I should ask for it back. I don't like my new one. Feels like I got shoes on my arms or something.
कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा
Ah, whatever. It looks better on you anyway.
ले ले वही 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 बेवकूफ़पंती फिर वही वहीं से के इतना टाइम तो वेस्ट ही हुआ ना फिर इसका मतलब यार ये बेकार है चक्कर यार बेवकूफ़ बनाया हुआ भाई सही इतनी ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक स्टोरी जिसमें आप खेल ही नहीं रहे हो अपने आप ही गेम चले जा रही है जस्ट लाइक ए मूवी और भाई तुम पार्ट तो बनो उस गेम का खेलने का मौका तो मिले या मूवी अपने आप ही चलती जब ये गेम अपने आप ही चलती रहेगी तो भाई फिर गेम का ही कि
Alex,
हाँ
are you all right? Okay. Are you back? You've been acting super weird for like the last 5 minutes. Do
बेवकूफ़ बेवकूफ़
you
बनाया
know
हुआ
that?
यार कसूते वाला बोर्ड मिल जाए ऐसे कल्टी हो जाऊं
I mean, I let it go for the first two, but then it got stranger. Whatever. As long as you're back among the living, let's just head to the gate, try the radio.
Oh, good. You didn't die.
Did you get it? Did it work? Do you hate me because it didn't work?
It worked. It worked. We got the... Well, actually, turned out to be a radio, but I guess it can open doors and gates and stuff with different frequencies.
Really?
I guess the radio will open this somehow?
Hopefully. Give it a whirl.
ओए कर दिया भाई
Cool.
निकल लो जल्दी निकल लो भाई कट लो यहाँ से दिमाग की दही हो गई है
Please have a boat. Please have a boat. Please have a boat.
Just think.
बोट हो चाहे ना हो भाई पानी में कूद जाओ तैर के निकल जाओ दूसरे के ऊपर जब वापिस नहीं हो मौका नहीं मिलेगा भाई फिर ये दोबारा ओ भाई भड़क कर दी इस गेम ने तो यार सही चल जा भाई वो रिपोर्ट और वहां तक कैसे जाएंगे अरे भाई ये क्या किया हुआ भाई बोट
Jesus, that house is huge. That lady really knew how to live. It's like the Chateau de Ad.
Ah, she does have a boat.
Yeah, see? Allie knew what she was talking about. She should, anyway. I mean, she had to schlep back and forth here all summer.
कहाँ से जाना है ये अच्छा ये आ गई ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है और ऐसे होने मिल जाएगी चाबी होएगा कुछ ना कुछ पंगा यहाँ से
Oh, it's like a boat that needs keys. There are no oars.
And before we go crazy, it wasn't with Maggie's stuff back at the office, like with the radio.
No, we checked everything.
Sometimes when I lock myself out of my house, I can't help but just stare at the deadbolt, trying to like hypnotize it to open or something. You ever do
नहीं
that?
Not really. But we can try that now if you think it'll help.
अरे यार अब ये काम करो जुगाड़ ढूंढो अब यहाँ पे ऊपर चढ़ यार फटाफट, निकल यहाँ से। आ जाओ तुम भी अंदर।
It's a radio lock. The woman sure did love her antiquated security.
चल एक और खुल जा।
That is a nifty gizmo.
अंदर घुस यार। ओ भाई इतनी चीजें।
Finally.
Carissa,
Oh, God, you
Jesus.
scared me. Thought you were like Maggie Adler's dead body or something.
How do you get in here? The door was locked. Do you have, like, a radio?
No, I don't have a radio. The kitchen window was open.
कहाँ है?
Kitchen window.
कहाँ है kitchen?
Where?
In the back, in the kitchen.
Look, Clarissa's here, so everyone's here now. We can
पहाड़ी है
just...
पीछे।
Everyone's okay, all right?
Kitchen कहाँ है बाहर?
That's a good thing.
Yeah, let's just find the keys to the boat or a phone or whatever and just find a way home. I promise. We can all keep talking and or fighting at school on Monday.
Yes.
Fine, okay? Let's focus up.
Everybody find something and hope that it helps.
भाई ये डायग्राम डूब नहीं चाहिए।
Oh, it's a draft of her letter that she left in the office. To whom it should concern. She left notes everywhere, she said, hidden with
वो कहाँ चले
secret
गए?
signals.
She was an odd one, I'll give her that. But, you know, cool in a way.
ले अब
Oh, that's an attic? Thought it was like a cat's toy or something.
भाई ये कहाँ छुपाया हुआ है? ये क्या कहाँ घुस के?
The chest is padlocked. Needs a combination.
Mrs. Adler was either paranoid beyond belief or just a very tidy woman.
लॉक ही खोले जाओ। चल भाई लॉक खुल जा। बंद कर रेडियो यार। नहीं खुलता भाई, ये नहीं खुलता।